Ever felt like your Word document is a chaotic jumble of pages? Today, we're tackling a common frustration: reordering pages in Microsoft Word, a simple yet crucial skill for perfecting any document. First, make sure your document is open in Microsoft Word. Next, click on the View tab located at the top of the Word window. This will open up the different view options for your document. Look for the Show section. Within that section, you'll see an option labeled Navigation Pane. Click the checkbox next to it. This will open the navigation pane on the left side of your screen. In the navigation pane, select the Pages tab. You should now see thumbnail images of each page in your document. Now comes the magic. To reorder a page, simply click and drag its thumbnail to the desired position. In the navigation pane, a horizontal line will appear, indicating where the page will be inserted. Release the mouse button, and the page will instantly move to its new spot in the document. Repeat this process for any other pages you want to rearrange. You can reorder as many pages as needed until your document flows perfectly. Once you're satisfied with the new order, remember to save your document. This ensures that all the changes are permanently saved. And that's it. Reordering pages in Word is that simple. Now you can easily create polished reports, manuscripts, and more, all in perfect order. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Word tips.